All right, let's survey the damage. Focus on the hydraulics.
Understood. Checking the landing gear now.
Got a thermal reading here, looks like unstable metal. The rubber is completely flat, and the strut.
And the strut is compromised.
We need new parts for sure.
All right, this section here.
Got it?
Got it.
That looks pretty rough.
And then the engine casing here. Yep, marking that now.
You see that buildup there?
Affirmative. Keep checking the blades.
Secure the latch. Prepare the strap.
Tensioning strap.
Main latch clear. Slow operation, everyone. Slow.
I'm seeing significant structural corrosion here.
Let me take a look. The yoke is loose.
Can you feel resistance on the pedals?
A little. Let me check the trim.
The plan is simple. Follow the route to the west, avoid the perimeter and the main hangar.
Copy that.
Move out.
Keep the grass line straight.
Right, understood.
Watch out for that concrete over there.
On it.
Tire's good. Moving to the next joint.
All right, keep working.
Looks solid. Secure? Secure?
Secure?
Okay, let's move it. Check the wheels, slow movement.
Copy. Initiating tow.
Monitor the nose gear carefully.
Main gear looking clear.
Stop. Air brakes.
Keep it slow.
Affirmative, moving slowly.
Check the tail clearance. Over.
Watch the wing tip on the right. Careful, avoid the sensor. I got it, look at this. Just around the edges, then move to the window.
I see some bad rust here. Yeah, right there. Get that spot. Keep going, you've missed a spot. Okay, move in there now. Sort the trash to the left. These straps are samples.
Got it.
Roger. Almost there. Just a bit more. Perfect. Thanks. Ready to go. See the pitting here?
Yes.
Marking it now. Verified. The stress fracture is located on panel 17 beneath the port wing.
Yeah, widen that.
Apply red tape there. Good.
Almost there.
Yeah.
Careful with that, it's heavy.
Checking the structure now, looks like we need to replace this part.
The gauge reads within spec.
What about this line here?
Ah, good eye, that might be the source.
Okay, now scrape the sealant right here.
Got it.
Good, now move down to this section.
All right, working on it.
This beam needs reinforcement. Yes, I see the stress cracks. Secure it right here.
Got it. Got it. I'm seeing some wear here.
Let's reinforce that section. The patch needs to cover this entire corroded section, approximately 8 inches in length.
Understood. I will cut the metal now.
Position them precisely under the wing roots.
Got it. Spacing looks good.
Engage the hydraulics slowly.
Jacks are secured.
Well done. Okay, keep going. Almost there. Careful. Just a little more pressure. There it goes.
I think this section is ready.
Yeah, looks good.
Pitting is minimal here. Great, moving to the next spot.
Keep pumping. The oil's turning clearer now.
Okay, here's the new filter. Where do you want it?
Right there, to the left of the main cylinder.
Good.
Tighten it down.
All right, test pressure.
Holding at 3,000 PSI.
Checking the fitting here.
See anything?
We've got a small one. Need to tighten the compression nut.
Okay, adjusting now. Should be good. Okay, gears moving.
Looks good. Keep it steady.
Test complete. Successful retraction.
Nice work.
Perfect.
Right.
Just right.
Tightening.
Check the marks.
Verified.
Set the shim flush against the flange.
Checking alignment. Looks true.
Okay, tightening the collar now.
Torque it carefully. Confirm seat.
Okay, right there. Just finish up that last bit. Got it. Okay, let's get this one hooked up
Ready when you are.
and routed carefully, no rubbing. Bin deine Sängermisere. Okay, engaging latch,
Right.
checking the seam. Looks good.
Good. Move to the blades. Yes, sir.
Wiping down, clean well.
Understood. Final check.
You see that seam? It needs to be filled tightly.
Got it. Checking the pressure now.
Connected. Power up. Roger. Set to continuity. Check the fuse.
Good. Now test the relay.
Got it. Listen for the beep.
All systems checked.
Affirmative. Good to go.
Controls are clear.
Checking rudder.
Okay, that's nav, landing lights, and strobe. Confirmed.
The damp smell is gone now. This filter will do the trick. Excellent work. Now we just need to test it.
Engaging auxiliary power.
Systems check positive. Clear to proceed.
Starting sequence initiating.
All right, bringing it in slowly.
Right.
Ready. Just a little more to the left. Perfect. It's in. Tight.
Looks good.
Secure for now. Keep it even. Don't miss that patch. Looks good down here. Move it out. That's the spot. Perfect coverage. Line it up here.
Got it. Looks good.
Perfect. Next is the panel on the wing. Inspect the bay.
Copy that. Moving in.
Green-brown pattern is looking accurate to the sample. Keep the overspray even.
Copy that.
Moving to the tail section now.
Keep it even. Don't miss any spots.
Got it. Checking the consistency now.
All right, panels in. Let's make sure these gaps are perfect.
Scaffold coming down. Clear the area.
Just wiping these smudges, then done.
All right, checklist complete. Everything looks good.
Affirmative.
Proceed to the aircraft.
All clear.
All clear.
Stand by. Spooling up.
Spooling. Hydraulics initiated.
Steady pressure.
Monitor the travel speed. Looks good.
Keep it slow. Hold it. Engines on. Clear.
Green light on the nose gear. Looks solid. Copy that.
Ready for takeoff.
Okay, confirmed.
Check the alignment on 3.
Open it up.
Okay.
Shine the light in there. Right here? Mm-hmm. Anything? Doesn't look like it? Close it up.
All right, team, let's get started.
Affirmative.